Welcome to our channel where we simplify your online earning journey with clear, step-by-step guides. Welcome to our channel where we simplify your online earning journey with clear, step-by-step guides. Today, we will walk you through the easy method to log in to your Microworkers account so you can start completing microtasks and earning money effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and go to www.microworkers.com. Make sure you enter the URL correctly to avoid phishing sites. Once the homepage loads, locate the Login button situated at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This action will direct you to the Login page where you need to provide your account credentials. Enter your registered email address in the first field. It is important to use the exact email linked to your Microworkers account to avoid any signing issues. Next, enter your password carefully. Password fields are case-sensitive, so double-check your input to ensure accuracy. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, you will be prompted to enter the verification code sent to your mobile device or email. After filling in all the necessary information, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be immediately taken to your dashboard where you can view available tasks and account details. If you happen to forget your password, click the Forgot Password link below the login form. Follow the recovery steps by entering your email address, and you will receive instructions to reset your password via email. Always ensure that your login information remains confidential to protect your account from unauthorized access. Now that you are logged in, explore the different task categories, pick tasks that suit your skills, and start earning. Remember, consistent effort can lead to great rewards on Microworkers. Don't be discouraged by tasks that take time. Persistence is key in the microtask world. Finally, always log out after your session, especially when using public or shared computers to keep your account secure. By following these simple steps, logging into your Microworkers account will be quick and hassle-free, allowing you to focus on earning effectively. Thank you for choosing to watch this tutorial and take control of your micro-earning potential today.